Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be learning more about the WordPress. If you are coming back from installation of WordPress, that's very good. If not, we'll be dropping the link in the description below. So let's begin the chapter for today, and today we'll be learning more about the setting up WordPress and themes and plugins and much more things that you should know when you install the WordPress for the first time. And starting off with the tutorial on WordPress setting today for the beginners. This is the first thing you should know about whenever you install a new WordPress in your server. You should always check out your WordPress setting. So this is our dashboard from earlier video, and we'll be moving forward with this tutorial. So as you can see, I have already set my WordPress in my system, and today I'll be processing with a couple of stuff. So as you can see on the section right now, this is dashboard, and let me open a tab for you. As you can see this section, this is a theme that is installed on the WordPress by default. So going back to the dashboard setting, as you can see, there are a couple of stuff like general, writing, reading, discussion, media, and permalink, privacy, and a lot of stuff here. So these are the settings we'll be talking more about today broadly, and give you the knowledge about what are these and how you're gonna be performing some actions before even you get started with editing these. So always try to keep your site title relevant and the tagline relevant. So it also does helps to move some SEO needle. So let us make some changes here. Let me add the site title. So like if you make something relevant with your site title and tagline, that will be a boost. Let me save changes. Let me reload this page. As you can see, the changes has been made. So let us follow with other settings that is in here. Like there is a subscriber setting for new user sign up. Currently I'll be ticking this off right now, and there are some roles like what happens to the users when they sign up. Usually they are default as a subscriber or guest. You can make changes later on and make some admin for your WordPress website. There is a language which we have already talked over on installation. You can see your time zone, you can manage that. There are some date formats like how you want it, and if you scroll all the way down, you can see like you can also make a start day. Like currently it's Monday, and you can make some date changes as you like. Save changes. Now we'll be moving towards the next settings. It's called writing, and in this setting you will see some category and some post formats. You can also see the mail server, login name, password, and stuff. As you can see, there is a category section. So since you do not have anything right now, so it is uncategorized. So this is a section for post format, which we'll be talking more about this in the future videos. And this is a mail server section. As you can see, if you want to set up a mail, we'll be doing differently on this one. So we'll be adding some SNTP plugins and SendGrid for this in the future videos, so keep on tuning. If you scroll down, you can see like the post, how many posts can be seen, how many items. You can see, always discourage this setting. I prefer you to discourage this setting, because if you are developing the site right now, Google will index all of these pages, and it will be very hassle to remove these pages going forward. Tick this, and you can uncheck this like when you are done with the WordPress website. Save changes. You can see like couple of stuff here, so you can save changes. Moving to the discussion. So since you have a blog post here, so obviously people will try to comment on your articles. So this is a section where you manage and control like how people will comment and how people comments will be moderated. So there are a couple of sections for here. You can see avatar settings and all of that. I like to tick these couple of my favorite settings. So if you like, you can go forward with this. So moving forward, as you can see, there is an avatar section. So this is a section where when people sign up, they will get an avatar, like a profile picture. You can change this avatar with other plugin with Gravatar and personalize this. Now let's move on to the media section. This is a section where you can upload all your files, like how you're gonna control these images, media, and other files. So I like to clean this up first. So it will be like wp admin/upload, and you can see this section where we can upload our file by month and week also, but I like to tick this off. Save changes. You can tick this if you like. So it depends on like what is your priority right now, but I like to keep them off. So moving to permalinks. So custom structure is by default click, so always try to make it post name, so you get a SEO benefits. Save changes. By SEO benefits I mean whenever a search engine comes to your WordPress website, it will try to see the URL, and you can see domain name / keyword page. That is very good. So moving on, the next one, it's called privacy. So since the new EU law has been implemented, there is a privacy section that is added on WordPress. You can create a privacy page and put it there, or you can move on to next one. So this is a login attempt section. This is added by GoDaddy itself, so it will block the users from trying to log in unauthorized. So let me save the settings. So there we go, we are done. These are the settings you need to perform whenever you install a new batch of WordPress website. Always make this setting first, then you create your page and other stuff later. So we are done with the general setting, and we'll be moving towards WordPress theme, and we'll be talking more about how to install a WordPress theme, about menus, and how to get a plugin. So let's begin. So let's go back to our dashboard, and the theme is under appearance menu. Hover around. We'll talk more about themes, some menus, widgets, and theme editor, and much more. So if you click on themes, we'll get some 3 or 4 themes. These are automatically installed by WordPress. So the first one is the active one. You can have free themes and premium themes. So let's move around. So this is a theme provided from the WordPress community, which is free themes. You can install them, but there are chances there is less support on these themes. So I always prefer you go premium. With premium theme, there comes with supports, and author does help you a lot with your problems in the website. But free themes, there are less chances, but you can discover new themes in the free section. It doesn't cost you a cent. So this is a Envato market where there are some premium stuff and some very good stuff. Like for example, if I'm looking for a hotel theme right now, you can see so many themes right now which are very highly designed to target the hotel audience. So moving forward, we'll be installing some free themes for this example right now. Let's get back. There are some couple of tabs here, like you can see like what sort of theme you would like. So we can do some searches here right now. There you go. These are some categorized theme. Okay, let me select one. So let me install this. So one more thing you should know about themes is themes comes with 2 files. The 2 files are parent theme and a child theme. So parent theme is a main file that get always updated. The child theme is kind of like a protection. It protects your CSS and stuff. So if there is a child theme in your purchase, always activate the child theme so you won't lose your work during your theme updates. So as you can see, this theme is a child theme of a parent theme. So let me check it out. Okay, here it is. The blue theme right now is a parent theme, and as you can see in the description also, the one thing you should always notice is you will always get theme update for your parent theme, not for your child theme. So always try to work in a child theme. So let's see like how our website look after adding a new theme, avoiding the default WordPress theme. So let me go to the front end. Let me reload this page. As you can see, we have already seen some changes on our website. Okay, let me go make some changes here. Okay, this is a widget section. This is like a pin board of your WordPress website, so you can make very fancy stuff out of here, and we'll be talking more about this section in the future video. And this section is very drag and drop system. You can drag anything from any section. So moving forward, this is a menu section. So as you know, every website does need a navigation bar, so it helps to navigate. So write some name for now and create a new menu. Okay, let me select couple of these and add into my menu. So let me arrange this up. Always try to make sure where the navigation lies. Sometimes there is primary, sometimes there is footer. Save changes, reload the page. There you go. As you can see, this is a navigation bar we have just set up right now. Click on customize. Okay, it seems there is a theme option for us. So let me try to customize a couple of stuff here. As you can see, I have made couple of changes with menu colors, the text colors and stuff. Moving forward, we'll be looking for theme editor. If you are new to the WordPress and you have no knowledge with CSS, I will like you to avoid this section. In this section, we can add CSS, custom CSS over here, and you can see select couple of stuff here like theme functions. But I will try not to use this section since you will be learning this process. So moving next to plugin section, it is similar to what we did to theme section. It also has a big community, WordPress community around it, and let's learn more about plugins. So we'll be adding plugins in our WordPress website. So let me show you. Here you go. Here are 3 plugins that is installed right now. 2 are deactivated and 1 is activated. This plugin is from GoDaddy. So let us see. Just a moment. Let me add a new plugin. So this is same like a WordPress community before. Like you get a bunch of plugins and you can select a lot of stuff from here. Just write the keywords. But whenever there are some plugins specific that I'm looking for, I always look for the downloads, the ratings, and when it was updated, and is it compatible with your current version of WordPress website or not. So let me search a plugin right now. Okay, as you can see, when I write a plugin, it starts to generate. So contact form 7 is one of the popular plugins for free contact forms creation. And as you can see here, a couple of details written here, like the ratings, how many times it was downloaded. So let us check something else. So let me type some plugin name. So this is a Yoast SEO plugin. It will be used for your content SEO. It will help you to boost your content properly, which will make the content more SEO friendly. So you can install this plugin. It depends on your preference. It doesn't need to be this. You can install rank math or something like that. So I will show you some details like how the plugins are the magic elf. So let me check some settings here right now. So if you click on settings, it will lead you to the plugin settings. So let me check it out, like what are the settings that has been installed here. So if you remember, I was calling my plugins magic elves because these stuffs are very handy and comes with much more functionality without you having a very deep knowledge over coding. Let me add up a plugin for one more example. This time I'll be adding a page builder plugin, and it is called Elementor. So let me install this. Elementor is a plugin that helps to build your page very faster, and it is also helpful if you're building blog posts and this kind of stuff. So it doesn't need a lot of knowledge over there, and it is very easy to use for even for a beginner WordPress. So let me add some steps here. Okay, as you can see, this is the Elementor plugins functionality. This is a drag and drop system. So you can select any of the element and just drag over the page. So let me add one. Let me select a heading. Okay, as you can see, a header has been added. You can type anything right now. You do not have to have some coding knowledge or HTML knowledge for this. This is something like a Word document. So just drag there and just type it. So let us add one more thing. So let us add a video section. Just a moment. There you go. So as you can see, there is an embed YouTube video right now. Thank you guys for staying with me for this long, and I'll be putting a new video coming next week, and keep rocking and keep tuning to my channel. Thank you very much.